What's up guys, it's Shawn here, and I've been meaning to do this for a very long time. I'm upgrading my juicer. You know I love juicing. I'm trying to get more juice with less effort, so I decided on this right here, the Hurom H400. Let's see what's inside. It's packaged nicely, everything's protected. We have the manuals. We have the cleaning brush, the pusher, the power cable, the chamber set, and then the heart of it all, this is the body and the cup. So now let's take a closer look at what's inside these boxes. So we have the power cable, the pusher, and the brush. Next is the chamber. Everything is just packaged and protected so nicely. It feels so premium opening this. And look how shiny, brand new. I just can't wait to put some fruits and veggies in this. Oh my goodness. So next, the body and the cup. Let's take a closer look. And here we have the pulp container. So everything that is not part of what we're going to drink is going to end up here, and we're just going to throw out whatever's in there. So we have the manual, recipe book, and the warranty. I can't wait to test all these out, and I can't wait for you guys to see the creations. Here we have this beautiful knife set. My favorite color, matte black, and these things are sharp. Oh my goodness. Look at this beauty. And stay tuned, we got a lot to juice.